My Instagram algorithm keeps showing me these super cute and portable painting kits for making small watercolors in the wild, and I really want to buy one. The problem is, I love buying art supplies more than I love making art, and I have physically run out of space to hoard more. But then I realized, this thing kind of looks like a watercolor kit. So I made a quick drawing app with the canvas on top and the palette on the bottom. The results were humbling. Partly a skill issue, partly a tool issue, but since I made the tool, that's also a skill issue. So I decided to cheat. First, I added an undo function to hide my mistakes. Then, I added a see-through mode so I could trace reality directly. I thought about adding a take photo feature, but that felt like it would ruin the drawing outdoors vibe. With that done, I went outside. It turns out tracing didn't help at all, so I gave up on that approach. Then, my Ray-Bans decided this project wasn't worth it and unalived itself. Here's the rest of the night. Upon review, there was no saving this. I never even used the undo button since there was nothing better to fall back to. I guess there's no replacing talent. Unless... I added a magic button that takes your drawing and uses AI to create a better version of it with the OpenAI API. Wait, what was the point of this again? This is just ChatGPT with extra steps. I took a simple drawing app and then shitified the soul out of it in one day. So I deleted the cheats. Maybe the point was these MS Paint looking drawings. Or maybe the real point of this journey was to justify me spending money on more art supplies.